Hey everyone, Addison Cavish from Skycatch, here to walk you through how to process and export your data on the Edge1 intelligent base station. After you have flown your mission and stopped logging corrections on the Edge1, remove the micro SD card from the Explore one and insert it into the Edge1. On your iPad, launch the Edge1 app. You'll be taken to the data processing screen, where you will see all of your previously processed data captures. Each data capture is sorted by the last flight that was completed. You can also view the number of photos, status of the data capture, and view the data if the dataset has already been processed. Tapping on the three dots on the far right will allow you to delete or reprocess the dataset. Let's import the mission. Tap on the drawer in the bottom of the screen to pull up the contents of your SD card. Missions that you have imported already will appear grayed out with the option to delete them if needed. We're going to import the mission OMF East by tapping on Import. A progress bar will appear to show you the status of the import. Once the import has finished, close the drawer and scroll to navigate to your mission. Do not eject your SD card at this time, because we will still need the SD card to be inserted to export your processed data when completed. Tap Process, and a pop-up screen with several processing options will appear. Processing quality refers to the accuracy of the data. High quality has an accuracy range between 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Standard accuracy has an accuracy range of 4 centimeters to 7 centimeters, and draft quality is 6 centimeters and higher. Point cloud density refers to the average distance between 2 points in the point cloud. For low density, that distance is 50 centimeters. For standard, that distance is 25 centimeters, and for high density, it is 12.5 centimeters. Choose between LAS and TXT file formats for your point cloud, and then select any additional desired outputs, like 3D Mesh, Orthomosaic, and a point cloud with objects removed. Finally, choose your EPSG code and geoid and tap Start Processing. A progress bar and processing details will appear, indicating the steps that have been completed. When the processing is finished, you can view your outputs by tapping on them. Using the pinching gesture on the screen will zoom in and out. You can rotate by tapping and dragging with one finger. If you'd like to reprocess your dataset, tap on Reprocess and select your desired outputs. To export your outputs, scroll down and tap on the Export button. Choose your export location and the files you wish to export. If you'd like to export the log files, click on the slider button. When ready, tap Export. You will get a green success message when finished. Tap on Data in the upper left, or tap on Data Processing at the bottom to return to the data processing screen. Eject the SD card by tapping Eject. You can now remove the SD card from the Edge1 and offload the outputs to your computer to bring into your workflow. That's it for processing and exporting on the Edge1. See you next time, and thanks for watching.